Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
UMLA Jongka West Shillong Constituency Uba Mohendro Rapsang Hakasngi Balang Jongka Khatlai Terik Ubnaya Yong Arajar Arpuar Ula Pynhap Pyrda Yaga Jingele Kai Sports Kaba Shisin Shisnem Jongki Kna Puli Ke Nora Evelyne School Shillong Hashwaman Pensedang Yagi Jingele Kai Lapen Bernya Yagi Nong Shakot Ngobha Deki Jingshat Neki Kna School Balapen Bot Pat Saya Ke Jingele Kai Maupoin Jongki Kentei Bat Ke Jingele Kai Basketball Deki Kna Puli Class 1 Hado Class 5 Hagani Ke Snila Sakilang Yagani Ke Jing Pynhap Pyrda Yagani Ke Jingele Kai Sports The President Jongka School Managing Committee Reverend K Nongplo Secretary Pastor Fellowship Reverend Dr. Eskis Emily Ke Principal Jongka School Ke Kongki Ding Do Bat Kiwei Kiwei
Basketball is my victory.
It's been an honor to be with you, especially with the young children. It reminds me of my younger age, 50 years back when I was in school. I'm always be like you always playing with the sports day. It reminds me of the day when I'm there 50 years back. Thank you, the principal, for inviting me to be with the students today. And then I'm happy to see that such physical activities are promoted in the school, as children need to participate in all sports competitions of their schools, as it removes their hesitation and motivates them to go ahead in life. The students, especially in the last 2 years, they have suffered a lot. During the pandemic time, the most suffered sector is the individual sector, especially the young children. The colleges, the university, everybody has suffered a lot during the 2 years. But I'm happy to see today that the school management have come forward with such an activities for the benefits of the children. As we know, sports and games help us to tackle and learn about how to overcome difficult situations in life and keeps body relaxed and mind free from tension. Also, it develops the habit of working in a team by developing a sense of friendliness among team members. My heartiest congratulations to the winners and all the participants who have competed in various events held in the school sports. Sports promote purposeful and meaningful social relationship, especially team sports. Such social relationship with your friends and colleagues provide you with an extremely desirable security, belonging, and ultimate happiness. Therefore, it is not all a necessity to win or lose in sport, but the happiness that comes from participating is a highly cherished trophy. I congratulate both the winners and also the people the students who really participate in all the games. Pastor Reverend earlier said that my participation, my contribution as an MLA, I'm always there. My door is always open for the development of the school. As a representative from this area, I welcome any help required by the college, by the school. It was most welcome.
Take a chance, you won't get over it.
tiny but so strong, right? One day they'll make our school proud. Richmond, Bogdan, one care and one India. For the runner-up as well. So Rapsang, we would like to tell you that our girls are also very good in playing football. So the winners are actually the Blue House, Kanikam, Ibada, Dapi, Liba, Airi, Paya, Happy, Degresha, Betsheba, Rila and Sylvia. Clap for them, they played so hard.